All right. Any other members? Councilor Machon?
Yes, thank you, Madam Chair. Honestly, Madam Chair, giving this particular commendation to the athletes is a mixed emotions for me because I don't want it like to appear as if we're all we're just commending them, but when the time that they were seeking for support from the local government, we weren't able to give them the support that they deserve. Um, of course, all of us here really wanted to extend our support, but the bureaucracy that we're currently facing now na parang lisod ka siya, it's so hard to deal with. Kay, I think it was just 2 weeks before the competition na unta makasupport ang LGU pero dili na maapas o process unfortunately because the team that they were representing is the province of Negros Oriental. But rest assured now is that in the Sangguniang Kabataan Federation of Dumaguete, we've already maximized our budgeting. So for this year, we included it in our annual budget plan to really give our all-out support for our local athletes when they compete in the national level. It's the first time that the SK Federation was able to open its separate account. So all SKs in the different barangays in Dumaguete are contributing an amount 2% of our annual share from the barangay will be downloaded to our budget of the SK Federation, and a huge part of it, a huge chunk of that budget will be allocated for the support of our local athletes when they compete in the national level. So that's just another support, and naapod tayo existing funds sa ato ang LGU mismo under the City Sports Office. So that's why we congratulate you. It's not easy to balance academics and your life as a student athlete. Diba? Sometimes lisod kayo magpa-excuse, lisod ng magtuon, then gikan pa o practice. So it is really worthy of commendation. No? I'd also like to extend my congratulations to the parents, of course, because dili ni sila maabot sa ilang naabtan karon kung ang mga parents pud nila dili ingon anak ka grabe ka persistent para i-push gid maayo ang ilang mga anak. So you're very blessed to have such supportive parents, and of course to your coaches as well na giayog jud mo og train, no, not just to bring pride pero also to learn the essence of camaraderie and sportsmanship in such a very young age. So keep up the good work and good luck in your future endeavors.
All right. Again, we congratulate Ms. Casey Gabriel Tionco of Silliman University, Mr. Carl Emmanuel Fernandez of West City Elementary School, Mr. Marco Juan Saison of RTPM Dumaguete Science High School, the coaches, their guardians, and of course, the Salabite Swim Sting of Silliman University for a job well done.